Hello everyone, and today is January 4, 2020. Welcome to my channel wherein we will focus on technical analysis of altcoins, preferably altcoins that are not mostly correlated to Bitcoin. So these are altcoins that are not doing what Bitcoin do. We want to focus on altcoins that do their own thing. We want a diversified market. This is like how the traditional market because we want to look opportunities outside of Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin moves, normally Ethereum, XRP also moves up or down with regards to Bitcoin. Of course, that's not always the case in 100%. So we should start with our technical analysis. I want to look at first at Chainlink. Okay, let's go to our charts. Well, okay, this is Bitcoin. We won't be talking much about Bitcoin in this channel because there are already a lot of YouTubers talking about it. So what I want to do some TA on is Link. Okay, so why Link? So for investors, Link has been on a parabolic uptrend ever since April last year. It made nearly 618% gains. So, and right now it is in consolidation, weekly consolidation. Because I want to talk about this because look at the volume profile here. And look at how we are wedging ourselves into a symmetrical like triangle. Of course, if this break, I would be expecting it to become, if we break this wick, when was this week? On last December 16th, the week on this last week, which is 1.59, I would expect it to test the lows again around 1.40ish region, 1.45, 1.50, and we would be in danger of breaking this major order block here, wick. We don't want that happening, guys. If we do, we risk ourselves on breaking structure, especially in the weekly level. If you look at Link, I've been playing Link for a while now, and it's very fun chart to look at because it's always playing around technical analysis. See this. I mean, just look at this. This one was, I started playing it around here when it was marching around ascending triangle, creating ascending triangle. Started here, bought here, sell some, take profit in the top, bought again in the bottom. Daily with the daily 21 orange, supporting price action, and then until we finally wedged ourselves, we broke out, but we faced heavy resistance and got rejected at the previous level here. I call this a front run of the 320-ish level, which I think this got to 3.16, and ever since then we've been in a downtrend. But if you've been playing this technically, you know that my favorite EMA and MA is actually the 10, the 21, and 200 daily, 200 EMA. If you just place this by EMA, guys, look, by the 200, so somewhere maybe 55, I would have personally targeted the 382 region here, but it did not get there, so sadly did not get there. Tested it again, bounced again, this time much lower low compared to the previous one, so it means it's trending downwards in the daily. Then it finally broke out, broke below the 200. The first two tests of this major support, especially the 200, are high accuracy play, especially the first one. It's almost guaranteed I actually, yeah, I actually got this one. But ever since we broke this, you could also short, I think in Binance, you could short the 10 simple, sell in the, buy the 200 EMA again. This time it broke 10 simple, it tested the 0.5 region, 0.5 fib, rejected. Guys, this one is a major short area. You have a cross between the 21 and the 200, the 0.5 region, and previous daily high. So if we are trending down, expect a lower daily high. And if you do break this, I would have expected it to retest this 1382 and this level 260ish, but I think it would get rejected there in the first pass, but it probably just reaccumulated and then targets this high. We did not. So it's very technical, guys. That's why I love playing Link. And this time, it bounced off the 886 fib level. Okay, so what are my favorite fib levels? My favorite is 382. My priority is the 382. And then the 786. And then the 618. And then the 0.886. That's my favorite fib levels. Just a preference, guys. It's up to you to decide, but my experience tells me that this crypto market always loves to do something around the 786 area. It likes to get reaccumulated there and maybe another rally, or the 886. The 618 is always a good bouncy point, but not a reversal point. At least that's my experience. So right now we are, what's Link doing? Being held by the 10 simple on the 2-day, reaccumulating between this horizontal level and the 786. So I would expect this to hold this level in closing candle basis, more reaccumulation, and then I don't want us to take below this wick. Okay. Now, what I want is the macro level, because this is for investors, right? So, how do we do this? Okay, this one. So, as we can see, lower high, lower high, low, okay, low. Is this a higher low? Are we making a symmetrical triangle or a descending triangle? To be honest, who cares, right? But if we are, I expect this to maybe reaccumulate 2 more wicks for the next 2 weeks, I think, and then maybe major rally up to meet this descending trend line. If this symmetrical triangle, this looks real strong, guys, because look at the volume in the weekly. It suggests that we break out around May. Yeah, maybe somewhere around here. Actually, I do not expect it to break around this. I don't like price action gets too much weight, so I expect it to break around March to April, this level, this region. So let's just put something there, ellipse maybe, somewhere around, okay, somewhere around this area. Volume, that's what volume suggesting. I think that's what also stock is suggesting. Yeah, for our daily stocks, we are wedging ourselves into this descending trend line and ascending trend line. So right now it's going down. I expect it to get picked up again and then reaccumulated. This one suggests we broke out it broke somewhere late January. So if this is going to be a local bottom, I would expect it to rally here again, maybe get rejected there, maybe reaccumulate. So maybe somewhere I'll give you, I don't want to give an imaginary price action, but maybe this is what I am thinking. Okay, so we get reaccumulated, go up here, tested there, maybe make another higher low somewhere around here, and then finally broke up. So that is one good scenario that we're looking at. And in that case, I would be expecting around maybe prior highs. Okay, that's it for our link analysis. Let's just clear this area before we move on to the next coin that I want to talk about. Let's see, what coin? CHZ, Chiliz. Chiliz is actually, it has been falling down and has fallen a lot. It has dropped 60% of it from its all-time highs. And the reason why I want to talk about is because it's in a possible accumulation zone. We are flirting around the 786 area. Also, there's this descending trend line in the daily. It's getting respected. Volume signatures are also saying we are consolidating. Holy shit, this is going to break likely very soon. Oh, come on, trading. Don't do this to me. Yeah, this one is consolidating really tight now. So we are holding in the shorter time frames, guys. We are holding this low and this low. So we don't want to break those 2 wicks below. We are now making higher highs on wick basis, but we are making lower lows on closing basis. So that's building up divergences in the RSI. I think we have 3 triple divergences here now. Do you want me to? I can confirm. Let me see. How do I do? Okay. So this one's a low. Okay. 20 is a low. 29.65. It's a lower low. Yes, this one, and then this one as well. This one. Yeah, we are creating a lot of divergences. So this is near the break pass point. I want this to start a new cycle. If you do Elliott wave analysis, this could be wave 1, and then this retracement, and then wave 2 somewhere. So wait for it to break this. How do we know when it breaks out? Okay, we need a daily close above $83.83 or 0.0083. So that's our breakage point. So that's our breakout area. But personally, I am accumulating here. I won't show my stop loss, but I am managing risk. Always manage risk, guys, because this one is creating the RSI is creating like a U-shaped pattern. When a U-shaped pattern is doing what it means, where is it? It means okay. It's doing that. So something like this is what I am expecting. It's also going to show that as well. So new cycle. So I expect this to break around end of January as well. Maybe 2 more weeks. But remember, guys, be careful. Bitcoin still dictates these lower cap coins. So always manage your risk. Okay, how do I delete this? Oh, Jesus. Come on. So that's it for Chilis. Oh wait, we haven't discussed about target yet. Personally, I'd be targeting around, conservatively, at least the 382 somewhere. If this is the bottom, yeah, 382 would be my first target, then 618, 786. Taking prop. But I think we're going to create new highs. So I'll at least take profit on 382. Next coin I want to talk about. Let's see, Vet. What you doing? Very ugly chart in my opinion. Don't want that. Okay, Atom. Okay, Cosmos has been very, very good. It's actually very, very strong, guys. Okay. But what I want to discuss in Atom is it's also technical, very technical, especially in these moving averages. Okay. This is a golden cross. This is the 55 blue 55 EMA and the 200 EMA in the daily. So you can see the price action tries to test it, bounce there good, but let's also show in the lower time frame what confluence we have there. Great. The 200 EMA and the 200 simple. How beautiful. I actually missed this one. I haven't been able to take this trade. So let's go back to the macro level. What are we looking at? Atom. Personally, it looks like creating an ascending triangle on this pivot. This major pivot at 490-ish. And it's trying to get getting accumulated here. RSI is good. Stocks are still trending. So, in my honest opinion, we should probably go back to 580-ish level soon. Maybe around March. Volume profile suggests we are still trending, so, and not in consolidation. So we are trending to the upside. But actually, Bitcoin has dumped many times, and this one just, when Bitcoin dumps, those are your buy signals for Atom, because Bitcoin dumps. Those are mostly the dip in atoms, and where you should have bought it. Okay, what else I want to talk about? Let's see, Kava. Kava is also very technical. Okay, this major horizontal here got defended twice. And, okay, let's. Sorry, I should clean my chart for you guys. So what we can see here is that we were being held by this descending trend line ever since we tested a lower high, big basis, and then when we broke it, we trended up again, tested again that upper resistance, again this major order block. Okay, so major supply. I want, because this has been very, very major, guys. Look, it hasn't let us go. Oh shit, how do I do this? Come on. Yeah, I'll put it as red. See, we've always been rejected. So what's Kava doing now? We have broken this ascending, possible ascending triangle that I have, or maybe like this. I don't want to adjust my trend line right now. Also, since we are below the daily 21, all possible moving averages. Do I think that it will go test this again one more time and create a descending triangle? Possible, guys. Personally, I wouldn't be trading this right now unless we get above 1.122-ish region, preferably 133. Or if we go back here, I think I destroyed my fib, so I want to get it back again here. So I also hate buying in the 0.5 region, but this has already shown me that it likes at least 886 level is a good buy area, and bounce level is normally 786. So no opportunity. I'm not seeing any opportunity in Java here. We miss it. What you should have bought is around here, or maybe somewhere around this accumulation. Let's see the weekly. Yeah, I do think it will bounce, because I think Bitcoin will bounce as well this weekend. No opinion here, guys. Sorry, I'm not very helpful, but possible descending triangle on the way. Okay, Tomo USD. It bounced off the golden pocket, 6.65 and 618 Fibonacci, and this is 89 EMA. Also bounce off the 89 EMA. Also bounce off the weekly 10 simple. This is very good. I do think we go up here again at least the 53. 382 is always my target because I am very conservative. At least that's where I take my profit, most of my profit. And if it's going to start a new cycle, still go up, who cares? I leave some of my profits in for a trending move to the upside. But this is a major buy area. Yeah, around the 53. That's it for now, guys. I think that's all. Bye.